54 degrees. We leave for Connecticut in a week, and we're freezing here. Whew. And there's a festival. We're eating at this smoothie place. We look like tourists. We tried. We tried to be cute. Oh my! We're out here at Boca Grande, and we're at golden hour right now, so we're gonna try and get a drone shot on Banyan Street, because this street has, this is what we just found out too. These trees are all 100 years old today, except for one. And we're gonna take the drone, fly it through these trees, and go out towards the beach, and hopefully get some cool shots that way. So, that was a lot harder than I thought. It's extremely difficult to fly this thing in high winds. I took the drone thinking that we would get some shots. You know, it wasn't going to be this windy, so I don't know how they're going to turn out. But the reason we're here is because it's really clear out right now. There's no clouds, and I was supposed to get a cool star trail of the Boca Lighthouse yesterday, and it ended up being cloudy. So we're going back today because it's clear, and hopefully we'll get the shot that we want. Gonna fly away.